Hello, everyone. I have been influenced. This bag is inspired by the bag hound. I will put her at the um, in the description bar. So here's the box, and you're going to get my first impression as well. This is how it compacts. This is the large Sloan Doctor bag. Oh, it is crossbody. The interior feels really soft. It is an adjustable strap. This is the color Cold Brew, I believe. I did see some other ones that I would have liked, but they were sold out. They were only available in small. If you're looking for more affordable leather, this is a great company. It's very inexpensive. I will leave the link below the video. It smells so good. And I like a long strap, so that's what I was doing, adjusting it to my liking. It is this type of clamp. It do have the name and kind of engraved inside the bag. It's like an everyday bag. It can handle a lot of wear and tear. It's very soft. Now let's see what else I have in here. It is a pencil holder in Cold Brew as well. Same in the inside, very soft. Again, it has the company name. This is PortlandLeather. I apologize. I got this bag maybe a week or two ago, and I'm just now taking out the town to do an unboxing. But yeah, this is a pencil holder. I did use some coupon codes with this purchase, and again, I'm going to leave the link below. If you're someone that's looking for a great quality leather on a budget, this would be the company that I would go with. And one more thing. It is a nice tassel. And I didn't get this in cold brew. I got it in, I believe it was chestnut because cold brew wasn't available. So let's see what it looked like on the bag. Or maybe it was nutmeg. So this is how I would wear it. This is the small. So they have two tassels. And I probably should have went with the, no, this is perfect. I just have to settle in and I have to play with it. So let's see, we can do a little bit better with the placement of this tassel. Hey. Oh, okay. So from start, I think I would go with a larger tassel. It feels good. It's the same quality of the leather on this bag. It's just that it needs to be, let's leave it right there. So it's not the same color, which I wouldn't have did it anyway, because then it would just blend in with the bag. And what's the point in getting a tassel if, no one can see it? So yeah, this is going to be going in all of my bags with me. I just ordered a custom planner from Etsy, and when it get here, I'm going to do an unboxing and share who I got it from because it was very affordable. But yeah, it has the name there if I didn't show it to you. And overall, I like it. Again, it was a great affordable price. I didn't even pay over 150 for all three items. So this is cute. I like this bag. I really do. And again, this was the large, I believe. And I ordered it about a month ago, and I think it's been sitting for about 2 weeks or so. So I need to just look at my order and I'll be able to tell you. But let's see if the pencil pouch mat go in. It does. In just that one pocket. And a tassel. I would not add any. I have one more charm I have, and I will take a picture of it and put it at the end of the video. The other charm is not with me. It's leather as well, handmade from like a smaller company. So Portland, I believe, is more like a smaller company, but that the charm that I got is all leather, and I literally mimicked my charm and my tassel from the bag hound. So yes, you were my influence to get this bag, and I don't regret it. Thank you so much for watching. Go ahead and comment below if you're familiar with this company. If you decide to make a purchase from this company, tell us what you got and how you like the leather. This is really good quality leather for the price. Again, thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye. I figured I'd come back and let everyone see my dress in this purse and how it looks on. Excuse me, everyone. This is my work bag, and this is my work blazer. This is what it's looking like, and I'm going to show you what I'm currently toting now. Give me one moment. This is my current bag, and I will do a review. This is the Dooney and Burke canvas drawstring. I just put a little bit of purse here and a scarf. And as you can see, I like my bags to hang really low. So if I go to the store or something after work and I have my bag, I can just put it over my chest and keep going. Now I'm ending the video. Thank you so much for watching, and you have a great day. Makeup bag, matching pencil pouch, no personal day planner, hair accessory pouch. That's what it holds. And I'm going to put my little pouch that holds my credit cards and debit cards right here. Just wanted to show you, everyone, what it holds. Thanks so much for watching.